Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Vamos, CU assembly. It's the week of the 22nd of March, and we know our CC way: confidence for ourselves, do the best for ourselves, and consideration for everybody around us as well, to be kind and caring about the world and everybody around us. That's our Grange philosophy for life. And last week we spoke about appreciation of beauty and excellence. So if you see something beautiful, if you see somebody doing something amazing, then you don't get worried or scared or think maybe I can't be as good as that. You just say to yourself, wow, that's amazing, that's beautiful, that's amazing. I want to keep on improving and learning and growing, so I'm also going to do amazing things, and that is a great thing. And our pupils of power this week, pupils who I have seen who have been appreciating beauty and excellence. Well, Edward's teacher told me that he has been appreciating beauty and excellence, beautiful things around him. When he sees people doing good things, well done, Edward. And Issam, I know I spoke to Issam, and he really loves beautiful cars, especially convertibles, and he appreciates them. So well done to Issam. You and Edward are pupils of power. There we go. Nice wriggle. Now you can see in this picture maybe it's a road or a pavement and it's concrete, but it's cracked, the concrete, and in the crack a beautiful flower is growing. And that is the character strength of hope, because sometimes things go wrong in life. Sometimes things crack and look like they're going to break. But if we are positive and we always trying our best, and we're not just giving up, then even when things go a little bit wrong, mistakes happen, cracks happen, beautiful flowers can grow in them and good things can come out of them. So it's really important to keep that positive attitude and to live with hope. And we're asking parents and carers and educators and teachers, if you see the children living with hope, they're positive, even if things go a little bit wrong, they hope that they can fix them and get even better and learn from their mistakes and grow, well then please give them some CC points for hope. So remember, children, you are the survive and thrive generation. You're the bounce back kids. You know that kindness is strength. That's what got us through all of this coronavirus difficult times. And that's our Grange CC way. Please sign up for the quiz. You go to Let's Localize. Here we go, let'slocalize.co.uk. You sign up, you follow Grange, you pledge a minute to join the quiz on the 30th of March. All of us at 7 o'clock will be on our sofas with our devices, and we'll all join in the fun quiz just like we did last time. This is the second time we're doing the quiz, so please sign up for it and enjoy it. Our gold stars of the week, well, there was Ilham and Issam and Chinea, all from Alan Turing, and Malak and Sophia D, and Umika, all from Bob Marley, and Aftab and Aliyah and Adira, all from Greta Thunberg, and Harris from Greta Thunberg. Well done. And look, there's Amalia from Olada Equino, and Idris from Olada Equino, and Sarah B from Olada Equino. Well done, you're all gold stars. So who are my classy classes? Well, Olada Equino class, 208 points, well done. Alan Turing class, you are steady and strong and consistent and positive with 268 points. But this week, the swivel goes to Greta Thunberg class with a magnificent 510 points. Well done. We've had Freddie, we've had the reindeers. The pot plants, I'm not going to buy them before the Easter holiday, because then we'll all be on holiday and there'll be nobody to water the plants and look after them. But we'll get them for after the holiday. But for this term, the classy class, you're going to get to messy paint handprints on the service wall because it's looking a little bit dull and we want to brighten it up. So who's going to be the classy class who gets to paint with their handprints? So let's be great, let's be Grange. Let's live with hope. Let's know that even if things go wrong, things crack, something beautiful can come out of it if we're positive and we keep hoping and we keep aiming to be our very best. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the week ahead. Let's be safe and happy. We know that kindness is strength. So let's learn together, respect each other, achieve our potential. Children, everybody, let's be great. Let's be Grange.